So we'll try to see this KPIs, KPI watch list, scorecard. These are three topics we'll try to see it. Some reason told C, I don't have here with me sample applied RPD. That is the reason I am trying to explain these things in the 11G. I am trying to explain it. If you have the RPD, directly you can do in the tools also you can do it. Okay, right. Now, what is KPI is? It is a new feature in OBIEE 11G. KPIs are defined using what? Analytics web page. KPI requires measures like what? Actual and targets. As we don't have this kind of measures, that's what we came to the 11G. And also it requires threshold conditions to define good or bad performance. When you can say business is good or bad, we have to compare the actual value, we have to compare the target value. That difference we got here positive, then it is good. The difference you got in the negative, then it is bad. Okay. So KPIs can be dimensionalized. I can compare the KPIs time wise. Okay, let us say 2004, this much of money I want it. I can compare with the product wise. I have to sell the iPhone 5 for let us say 2000 pieces. Customer wise, I want, let us say I want this year 10,000 customers. Something like that. I may have the actual some targets with respect to the different dimensions. Now how to create this one? Process new KPI sample sales slide. But I don't have a sample sales slide first. First let me load the sample sales slide into the server. So for that I am going here. Let us go to the enterprise manager, then deployment. Then deployment, lock and read configuration, close, browse, then sample applied. Okay, open, then admin 123 because it is created by Oracle. So we are giving the password as what? Admin 123, apply, activate, availability. Then restart the BA server. Now close it. Right. If you go and try to observe, let's say analytics now, then log in here, then go to the new analysis sample sales slide. I am trying to take here, see here base facts, what we have, revenue. Next what? Target revenue. What is this? Build quantity. And what is this? Target quantity. This kind of things I am expecting. Actual and target. Actual and target. As we don't have this kind of measures in our regular supplier to RBA sample, that's what I came to the sample apply. This is backend actually running with the XML files. If you go to the RPD and open BA administration online mode, then admin 123 is the password, RRIT account 3 is the user password. If you see the sample applied data, it is coming from where? XML. These XMLs are available where? In OBIEE home variable, then sample of files data. What is this OBIEE variable here? OBIEE home is available, right? What is that variable name? If you go to the manage, then variables, then static, this is the path. This one, if you substitute here, then what is the resultant path it becomes? Then this is the resultant path, right? Now if you take this path and if you go and try to observe, so it's coming from where? These XML files. Using these XML files, they developed that RPD. Using these XML files, they developed that RPD. Those data is not coming from the Oracle database. It's coming from XML files. Okay, excellent. Now I'm least bothered about that. Let us go for, we want the columns actual and targets we wanted, we have it. Then let us go and try to see the KPI, how to create it. New, there is an option called as, what is this? KPI, key performance indicator. There is asking from which subject area using you have to develop it. Sample sales slide. Now you can observe how many steps we have here. General properties, dimensionality, states, related documents, custom attributes. In general property, what is saying, a KPI is based on comparing actual and target performance. Define the source of actual and target values for this KPI. We are trying to define here actual value as revenue, and we are trying to define target value as target revenue. Then click on here next. So now next what you are seeing here, dimensionality. Define dimension values for the KPI or allow each dimension to be prompted by the user. So I am going here, let us say I am trying to add here dimensions. I am going to add here dimensions. Let us go and try to click on the add. Then time wise I am adding the entire hierarchy I am adding. I want to compare with the time hierarchy wise. And in the runtime it has to prompt it. If you want to fix some value here itself, you can fix some value also here itself. But I don't want to fix it at the time of runtime, it has to be prompted. I don't want to compare this revenue and target revenue only with time. I also want to compare with what? Products also. I also want to compare with what? Office also. Office wise, what is actual, what is the target. I also need to compare with what? Orders wise also. Through online, how we got the orders. Offline, how we got the orders, like that. Provide here those all things one by one. These are the 4 dimensions respect I am trying to compare my actual and targets. What is the next one? States. KPI state is determined by comparing the actual revenue and target revenue values. For each KPI state, define a label. Label is nothing but OK, warning, critical are called as labels. And label and next is what? Color. Whatever color you want to define here, you can define the color. N number of colors are available. Next is what? Icon. Whatever you are seeing, this one is called as what? Icon. N number of icons are available here. You can go and you can choose some icon, you can go and you can choose it. So that's what the meaning of icon. Even if you want to create one more action on this one, there is option is available what? Action. If you want to create the actions, you know that one, right? Already? Yeah, we know that. So I am trying to cancel this. Suppose, what is the meaning of this one? Less than 90%. My actually is only 80% something. Then it come in the which color? Red. Between 90 and 100 percentage, we reached up to 90 percentage of the target. They will send what? Warning. Above 90 percentage, then only we will be in the green. Something like that we are available. And here 3 labels only we have it, right? There are situations, let's say you attended the interview, they will have options like poor explained, average explained, okay, good explained, very good explained, and excellent. Something like that, different options you may have it, right? How many options I am seeing here now? 5 options, okay. Now how to get here 5 options? Let's say out of 10 questions, he answered only 1 or 2 questions only, then it is poor. He answered at least 3 or 4, then it is average. He answered 60 percentage, let's say good, 6 questions he answers, good. He answered 88 questions, then it is very good. He answered 10 out of 10, excellent. Something like that, we defined the rules over there, and that interview paper, evaluation paper I given to you. You have to evaluate the candidate based on the how many questions he answered, how many questions you asked, the percentage wise you have to evaluate it. And you have to decide is it poor or average, what is that. Getting my point, right? Okay. How to get 2 more options here? I want to give one. Poor means some color, average means some color, good means some color, very good means some color, excellent means some color. What you can do is in the corner, what is available? Show advanced properties. Then we are seeing what? Plus symbols. I am adding here below. Then we got one more thing. Now can you change these all things whatever you want it or not? Yes. You can go and you can play around it and you can change whatever you want it. If you want one more thing, can you add it or not? Yes. Time being, we are not interested on other one. Let us be happy with the 3 things only. Then let us remove this one. Are you getting my point? So if you want to add more states also, you can go on, you can add the more states. Next is available related documents. Suppose you written the previously poor, average, something like that. Somewhere you have to define the business rules or not. When we are keeping the poor, if he answered out of 10 questions, 2 questions are less than 2 questions only answered, then only we are calling it as poor. 20% or 20% below you answered, then only you have to say what? Poor. That is the one rule. That rule where you are going to write it. Here you can go and you can write that theory. We are going to write what here? Only theory. The theory is maybe in the form of a report which is coming from the catalog, or in the form of a link, a database link. It may be coming from some website. Okay, now that's how we are going to provide here. Please enter the name. That's how we are going to provide here a link or a report we are going to provide. In this website, you may have the business rules are already defined theoretically. We can read that one and we can explore it. What is the meaning of poor, average, those all things. Next is available here custom attributes. If you want to do some calculations your own apart from the KPI what it is providing, KPI standard template will provide some kind of calculations to you. Apart from that one, you want to do your custom calculations. Then click on the add here. Let us say I want to go for tax, and the formula is whatever we have here revenue column, that into 0.1. Then okay. Then click on here what? Finish. Then shared folders B161. Then we are saying as here KPI for what? For revenue. KPI for revenue. Now let us go and try to see this one where it is stored and how it is available. This is what called as KPI revenue. If you click on the open, now you can see that output. Did you calculated here difference, sir? or system calculate for you? System calculate for you, right? And difference is came the positive or negative? Positive. That means what? He is doing good business. Status is green and right mark we got it. And what is the percentage of variance? 11.11. That means 11% more he did. 11% more we reached the target than what they are expecting. Now, if you go and try to expand here, let us say products. How all products are performing, we are observing it. Let us say expand here all offices. How all offices are performing, we are expanding it. Then we are expanding the stock plus, inbound, international, blah blah. Then we are expanding here inbound. Then we are expanding here technology. Okay. Now let us go and try to expand here this product, whatever we have it, and time also we'll try to expand it. The time is called as 2008. Then half year. So all are showing here green color only, right? That means in all aspects it is working properly, it seems to be. Okay, here if you observe some of the things are blank. That means what? At the level of day level they didn't define the targets. They said month level targets are available. Here what is this? Week level targets are not available. They kept only at that level of what level? Month level only they kept it. You sell on Monday or Tuesday doesn't matter. In this month, this is what our targets. You sleep 29 days and work 1 day. That is doesn't matter. But I want this much I want it. Okay, something like that. They are trying to keep only month level. They are trying to keep it. So in the given month, if you want to analyze the products, you can go and you can analyze the product. Yes, see here. What is this? Some yellow color we got it. What is the meaning of yellow color? It's a warning. It is a warning. It is below the 90 percentage, and as it is a negative value, it came with what brackets? It came. How much percentage is available? Minus 0.32 percentage the variance. That means 99 point something it came. 99.68, right? Up to 99.68 is came, but still warning he got it. Something like that. So what I'm trying to say is, by seeing that KPI, we are able to compare different dimensions and different things or not. Yes. And I want to create one more KPI for the quantity also. I want to create one more KPI for the quantity, same steps. What do you have to select here? Actual quantity is nothing but build quantity. Then this is called as target quantity. Then go to the dimensionality. Then add. I want to take here 4 dimensions. Time, product, then orders. All the 4 things we taken. Then let it be these all things default. Click on finish. Then we are giving the name as here KPI underscore quantity. Now we created 2 KPIs we created. Do we have any place where I can see the 2 KPIs in one place? These are what now independent, right? If I want to see the quantity KPI, then I need to click on open and I have to see that one. If I want to see the revenue KPI, I have to click on that one, I have to see that one. Do you have a place where I can integrate these KPIs?
Yes.
What is the next concept? KPI watch list. KPI watch list. That is the way the name itself is talking about what? Watch list. List of KPIs are going to watch over that. Now let us go and try to create here KPI watch list. So this is what called as KPI watch list, and we are trying to save this one as, let us say, KPI watch list for revenue and quantity, for example. Now let us go and try to drag and drop in the shared folders in our B161 folder. What is this? Revenue and quantity KPIs are available. Let me drag and drop revenue. and let me drag and drop quantity. If you want to fixedly want to provide the values also, you can provide the fixedly values. Okay, now as of now we are trying to click on OK. This is where we are trying to observe here both the things are observing or not. Suppose I want to change this product here. I can go and I can change the products to something else, fun for I provided. Again, these two KPIs are refreshing or not? Yes. And if I am trying to change to something else, let us say mistake, these all things are changing or not? So it is a single place where I can monitor the two KPIs or n number of KPIs or n number of KPIs. That's what KPI watch list. List of KPIs we are going to put over there. List of KPIs we are going to put over there. Any question on the KPI watch list? No, right? In the top anyhow we have here to select the different dimensions or whatever it is. Next one is available, that's called as scorecard. Scorecard also similar to the KPI watch list. However, we have many more options over there. Let me go to the new, then go to the scorecard. Click on the scorecard, give the name as scorecard, then home. Now go and try to select here shared folders. We are trying to save the shared folders. Okay. Now we got here scorecard. Click on what? New objective. My objective is to compare here revenue and quantity I want to compare. Then try to save here. There is option called as save. We saved here and this is what my objective. In the bottom we are seeing here option to drag and drop KPIs. Let me drag and drop revenue KPI and let me drag and drop quantity KPI. Quantity KPI. Then let us go and try to save this one. We are trying to save it. Already saved it. Now I want to see the same thing in the tree format. I want to see it. Then what I can do? View strategy tree. Then we are able to see tree format. And if you expand this one, we are able to see the corresponding values. Like this, we are able to see it. And same thing if you want to see the graphical format, immediately graph will be opening over there. Okay. And if you want to do some kind of complaints, you want to do it. Let us say we have here, what is this? Contact the owner. Just we have to click on this three arrows, whatever we have it. We have to click on the three arrows. Three arrows, you have to click on it. Then what is saying here? Go for the contact the owner. Add the comment. If you want to add some comment, you can add this comment here. Then click on OK. Or if you that comment will be added and it will be visible to the people. Contact owner, to whom you want to contact and what priority. If you go and try to say click on send, this WebLogic user mapped with one mail ID. That to that mail will be triggers the mail if everything is configured. So like that we can see the KPIs. If any problems, immediately I can contact the respective owner so that we can take care. That's what overall what I want to brush up on what is KPI and what is KPI watch list and what is scorecard. These are the three topics, small topics what we have it. Actually scorecards is a big topic only, still we can explore so many options are available over there. Those things can be our own. Okay, these are the things what I want to cover it, and with this you can observe your notes. We completed the KPI. What is this? KPI watch list. Next what? Scorecard. Minimal navigation, whatever required I given here. You can go on, you can see that. So with this, I think I completed entire part except the BA publisher. Except the BA publisher. We'll do the BA publisher now. Sorry?
I think today it's enough, sir. Hello.
Yeah, I'm able to hear. Sorry?
Here it's morning 5, quarter past 5, sir. I think today it's enough for me.
Okay, then BA publish will try to cover on some other class, some other day. Mostly coming Sunday we'll try to cover again. Coming Sunday, 7 a.m. to 9 a.m. like that we'll try to cover. Okay, tomorrow onwards, regular classes, whatever available, that will happen in our regular times.
Sir, this class, anyway, can we watch it, sir? See, review it.
Yeah, we can review it. I'm going to share it.
All right. Okay. Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you. Bye bye. Have
Thank
a
you.
nice
Bye.
weekend.
You too, sir.
Yeah, thank you. Bye bye.
So tomorrow onwards the same.
Yeah, same tomorrow onwards, same original timings only. Only Sunday morning 7 to 9 we are going to meet again for the BA publication. Thank you. Bye bye.